been a hot minute, but I thought I'd do a quick video. As some of you may know, some may not, Wayne passed away in January. My farm sold and I've moved, so I've just been kind of putting this off, and but I really do want to do this video on this at-home hydroponic system that VIVOSUN sponsored me with. So they wanted to send this to me and I would do an unboxing video. It has taken a while and I apologize to VIVOSUN for that, but let me just get started and you'll see what we got. First of all, they sent me a hydroponic site grow kit, 1 layer, 72 plant sites. Let's see if there's instructions. I kind of hope there is, and I kind of hope there isn't, because I'm not good with instructions. Let's see what we got. I don't know where my utility knife is, so we'll use big scissors. And it is a little dark in here, but it'll have to do. I'm sure you can still see. So I am loving my new place. It's different, but I like it. I do like it. So, seedling instructions. Came with instructions. Let me see. Okay, so this stuff is foam squares, kind of like what we used in the hydroponic system with the Oasis, except this is foam and this is for your leafy greens. And yeah, that's kind of cool. And then oh boy. Okay, let's see what we got here. There's lots of stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. So let me see. Let me get all this out and laid out. And we'll figure it out. Oh! This is a little pump. Pretty cool. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'll just do it. We'll wing it. And here are the brackets. So I'm going to put a little picture of what this looks like complete with plants in it. I'll just get that off of the site. I'll also leave the link in the description box below. I'm not making anything off this video at all with VIVOSUN. I just agreed to do an unboxing. And maybe I'll get it going and we can come back and see exactly how it's going to work. There are a lot of pieces here. Lots of pieces. Okay. These are the cool little troughs. You see that? Very different. I don't know what that's for. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Let me see. I'm just going to empty this box and see what's all here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 troughs that came with it. And then there's things inside. Oh, the piping. I'm going to leave that in there for now until I get it somewhat figured out. Okay, so that's that. Looks like it could be interesting. We have a lot of a lot of pieces here and the instructions. Okay, before I go on with this, they also sent me 2 packages. I'm not sure what they are, but let's find out. Snips. VIVOSUN Precision Pruner. Let me take it out of the package. Oh, I like that. I'll show you that one. And then we have another one. Feels like it could be snips too. Oh, okay, they're the same. I think maybe that was a mistake. So maybe I'll send one back. So I have 2 pruners. Exactly the same. So I will contact them because I think that might have been a mistake and send one back. But we all know how I like pruners and little gadgets that simplify things. Oh yeah. Very sharp. Nice. I like. Does anybody remember when I lost my pink snips? I lost them every single year. This year they disappeared and I never did find them. So maybe the new owners of the farm will find them. So I'm going to get started on putting this thing together. I'm not going to show you me putting it together. I'll just let you know whether it was simple to put together or difficult to put together. Doesn't look too difficult. Okay, I'm going to get on it and I'll be right back. Okay, I've decided I'm going to actually show you what I'm doing because so it says connect the planting pipe with reducers. So this is the planting pipe and then these are the reducers. So these things here I put at each end of this. And why? Because that's what it shows in the diagram. Then it says install the water inlet outlet pipes according to the diagram. So this is showing as the inlet outlet pipe. And I've got to do something here. Oh, okay, no, that's already on there. And then I've got to take this thing, is the whatever, inlet outlet pipe. Like I said, I'm not very good with instructions. Bear with me. Okay, so it goes that way. This goes this way. And I don't know how far that's supposed to go in. Like that, I guess. That looks pretty cool, pretty interesting. Okay. Assemble the holder according to the diagram. Okay, so the holder is the entire base of the holder. It's going to hold the troughs, right? So this I'm not going to show you because it might be a mess. But okay, the holder is finished below. Actually, it seems quite easy. Let me do this holder thing. We'll see how that goes, and I'll be right back. All right, I have it set up. Actually, it was not that bad. If Patty can do it, anyone can do it. So I'm just going to show you. Right here is, I'm not going to do anything with it right yet because I have to get myself a tote, which will go underneath the trough holder. And this thing is where the water pours back into the trough, I think. That's what it shows in the diagram anyhow. And then over here, we have this plastic tubing that hooks up to this thing. I still have to tighten a lot on here, and then that will go over to the pump, or to the tote that I'm gonna have, and my pump and timer and stuff will go on that. And yeah, really, I mean, it's fairly durable. It also comes with these net cups. So they give you enough for all the troughs plus some extras. And that just pops in like that, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it is fairly durable. It's not too big. I definitely am not going to keep it in my living room, but I could put it into one of my little spare rooms, and I'm anxious to try it. But this as well, I want to show you. So instead of using the Oasis like we do at the farm, these come into little, I don't know, like 1-inch square foam, and they have a little incision in them, and that's where you're supposed to put your germinated seedling, your germinated seed, once they germinate. But when we do it at the farm, we plant directly into the Oasis. I might try that, planting directly into some of these foam and then doing some on a cloth like they say first, and then transplanting. They give you little tweezers to use, probably to take your plant out of your cloth and then put it into the foam. However, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not, but pretty cool. It is actually very cool. And then of course my snips, which I'm anxious to use. So that's it for now. I'm going to find a spot for this, get my tote, and get my pump and stuff hooked up. I'm gonna need some type of lighting, and I'm also gonna need my nutrients. So once I get that all figured out, I will come back with a video on how I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Should be fun, interesting. But thanks again to VIVOSUN for letting me do an unboxing for you on this topic. So anyhow, guys, I hope you're all well, and we will see you very soon with a follow-up on this. Bye.